Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my review of Rankr. Right, today I'm making the review of this particular software by my friend Trevor that will be launching on the 19th of September 2021. Now, this is a software that has come to revolutionize the way we actually rank our article. The software will practically help you to rank your WordPress article or your blog post on the front page of Google. You see, one thing is this: when people come to Google and they search for a particular keyword, their major focus is on the articles, okay, on the front page of the keyword they actually rank for on Google. Okay, so they don't even bother going to the second, third, or fourth page. Okay, so now I want to believe that you want your article to be on the first page of Google, so as people come in, they'll be able to read your articles and they will take action for whatever you want them to do. Okay, now that is what this software has come to do. Okay, now this software is a revolutionary software, like I actually told you, based on proven ranking factor. Rankr gives you a step-by-step guide on what you need to optimize in your posts in order to rank on Google page 1. You can literally start optimizing your site for SEO in seconds from now. Add any keyword, hit search, and Rankr will instantly give you hundreds of keywords you can rank for. You can use those keywords to create your posts. That is just the beauty. It's as simple as you can just imagine on how to rank your article on the first page of Google using Rankr. Okay, now if this is something that actually interests you, I want you to stay with me as I'll be taking a full review of this particular software. It's actually a WordPress plugin, so you can imagine how simple it is for you to use. You're going to learn how to do all that along the line as we go through the review. Okay, now I want to show you something. I actually have a special exclusive bonuses for you if you pick Rankr below this video. Okay, there's a link below this video. If you click on that link, it will take you to the sales page of Rankr, and if you pick Rankr, I'm going to be giving you all the exclusive bonuses that I have for you. Now, before we go further, I want to show you all the exclusive bonuses that I actually have for you. The bonus number one is called WordPress Headline Pro. Now, what this particular software will do for you is to help you write SEO key headlines that will actually rank on Google. Like I told you, the bonuses I'm going to be giving to you are bonuses that will complement Rankr. Okay, so what this particular one will do for you is to help you write SEO keyword, okay, as the title of your blog post or your article. Okay, so I'll be giving you this as the bonus number one. The bonus number two I'll be giving you is called WebList Pro software. Now, this software, what it does is a pop-up actually. When people come to your website after navigating through your website and they're about to check out of your website, this pop-up actually comes up in form of an opt-in page. It could be like a promo and information, just something to actually pass a message across to them, or if you want to keep them more engaged on your website, this pop-up is what you actually need to do that. Okay, you can use it to actually grow your list, you can use it to collect their leads. Okay, so it's a very beautiful plugin. It's a paid plugin, but I'm giving it to you for free if you pick Rankr from my review. And the bonus number three I'll be giving you is called Newbie Traffic System. Now, I want to believe that you know that traffic is the bloodline of every online business. Now, what this particular bonus will do for you is to show you the secret of how to get organic traffic to push your business online. Okay, now paid traffic is good, there's no doubt about that, but also if you don't want to go the luxury of paid traffic, you can use organic traffic. And doing organic traffic, one other key factor is for you to get it right. Okay, get the right tailored traffic for whatever you are promoting online. In this particular series of video training, I will show you how you can actually get those right organic traffic, okay, free for you, so that you'll be able to get your business going online. Then the bonus number 5 I'll be giving you is called Bing Ads Training. Now, Bing Ads is one of I believe is one of the traffic source that people are not really utilizing fully. and it will amaze you that a whole lot of leads, clients actually comes from Bing. Okay, so now there's a training that you need to go through for you to master the act of advertising on Bing. Okay, so that is what you'll be getting in this particular bonus. Okay, it's a detailed focus training, because some of those videos you watch on YouTube on Bing ads, they are not truly detailed. They are just like on the shallow. People don't really give out their secret on YouTube. They just show you the surface. So you just look at it, you go into it, and you discover you're not getting results. How come they are getting results? With this Bing ads training, you are going to get full detailed training on how you can actually utilize Bing ads and get results. Okay, and also I'll be giving you all the bonuses the vendor asked me to give to you. Remember, I'm giving you 4 bonuses. Okay, WordPress Headline Pro, web lists software, where Newbie traffic system, and Bing ads training. I'm giving you this software alongside with all the bonuses the vendor asked me to give to you. Now, I want us to go directly into the Rankr software so that you get to see exactly how this thing works. But before that, what you just need to do is to click this link here. Okay, when you click this link, when you're on my review page, you click this link, it will take you to the sales page, okay, of Rankr. Then you get to see all that is inclusive there. And mind you, this Rankr comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, no question asked. Meaning, if you pick Rankr today, after going through it, you feel you are not satisfied with it, ask for a refund and your refund will be processed for you. Okay, without further ado, before we go straight proper into the sales page of Rankr, I want you to just look at what the software is all about. Okay, my friend Trevor is going to take you on the walkthrough on how this software actually works. Let's get to it.
Hey guys, it's your friend La here, and this is a quick demo video of Rankr. Okay, so Rankr, it's a powerful WordPress plugin that allows anyone to get more page rank rankings, and that way with more page rank rankings you can get more traffic from search engines, and this of course will end up in more sales, more leads for you, and all that cool stuff. Okay, so Rankr, it's a powerful WordPress plugin. Here I'm gonna show you all the main features that this plugin have and how it will help you to rank better on Google and also help you to get more traffic and leads and sales from the search engines. Okay, so here very quick we have this quick dashboard here that you can see. Then you can see we have backlinks, we have social signals, SEO tags, and also Rankr will help you to optimize your WordPress posts. Okay, so let me show you very quickly how it works. If I go to the post here and I click add new, before I show you the other features here, I'm gonna show you that one. So here you can add a title for your post. Let's say I'm doing a post about weight loss. So I add a weight loss title here. Hey, this is a weight loss post. And I can save as draft here very quickly. And then as you can see here, below the post, you have a field that says optimize your post. Then you can add your keyword here, and the plugin will quickly show you what you need to optimize in your post to get better rankings. Okay, so as you can see, it's missing the H1 tag, it's missing the permalink, and it's missing the alt text in the images. So 2 things are right with my SEO and 3 things that I need to fix on my posts. So here you can see what you need to fix on your post in order to rank better on Google, and those here are all ranking factors that you need in your post in order to your post to appear on the search engines. Okay, so very quickly, Rankr will give you everything you need to optimize in your post to get your post optimized for search engines. So that's the first thing that Rankr does for you. Okay, another thing that Rankr does, it allows you to find keyword ideas and generate tags. Okay, so WordPress tags are a very powerful way to get more traffic, okay, from related keywords. And keyword ideas will give you ideas for your posts and all that stuff. So all I need to do, let's say I have a post about weight loss, I just type here weight loss, search, and I will be able to quickly see all those keywords that I can use to create my post around, or I can just add as tags so I will be able to get related traffic for those keywords. Okay, so I just select the tags I want and I click add tags, and then it will add all those tags to my post, and that way I can get more traffic from related posts or related things to that keywords. Okay, so that's the second thing that the Rankr will do for you. It will create WordPress tags. So let me publish this article here, and it's published now. Let's get back to the WordPress dashboard and go to the backlink section. Okay, so the next step then it's backlinks. So let me click backlinks here, and Rankr will create backlinks for you. Okay, it will open this page here. You add your domain name and click submit, and it will start to create backlinks for you. And also you can download those backlinks as PDF, so you can give like to your clients or to keep yourself a copy of the backlinks you generated. Okay, so it will generate backlinks for you. Also, you will be able to create social signals. So if I want to quickly share all my posts on social media, I will be able to. Okay, I can copy the link of the post, or I can quickly share on social media immediately. And I can create social signals that will help me with the traffic and also with the page one rankings. Okay, the above things that will helping me with those both things. Okay, then we have SEO tags, and that's different from the SEO tags from the post. Okay, if you want to add tags in all your posts with one click, you will be able to do that. All you need to do is click this button here, and it will create tags for all your posts, all the posts in your website. Okay, and that way you will be able to generate more traffic from the search engines and more traffic from related keywords. So that's everything that Rankr does. Basically, it will optimize your site, it will create backlinks for you, it will create social signals, SEO tags, and give you keyword ideas. Okay, so that's everything.
Okay, now I want to believe you actually understood all that Trevor showed you on that walkthrough of how the software actually works. Like I said earlier, all you just need to do is to click on this particular link. When you click on this link, it will take you directly to the sales page of Rankr. Okay, Rankr for today is actually going to cost you less. The original price for Rankr is $13. Okay, but if you click the link okay below this video now and you go to the sales page, you land on this sales page of Rankr, you can get it today for just a fraction of $7, right? You're going to get it for a fraction of just $7. All you just need to do is to come here, click on this, and as you can see, you can get it for just $7. Okay, that is a far better discount you are getting for it today. Okay, on your own, you can just go through the sales page, get to see some other things you need to learn about. You can see with Rankr, Trevor was able to rank on the first page of Google. You can see all of his you can see his article is the fifth on this particular keyword. Okay, you can see another one is the third on this particular keyword, commission robot. You can see another one is the third also, all ranking on the first page of Google. That is the beauty of this particular plugin, WordPress plugin called Rankr. It will actually help you to rank on the first page of Google. Okay, like I rightly told you, it's $7. Get this particular software and get your articles on the front page of Google. Get your website running. And also, I forgot to tell you, this software actually comes with backlinks free. You're going to get backlinks for your websites. Okay, you and I know that backlinks actually helps to prompt your website to be on the front page of Google also. So it comes along with Rankr. Okay, also it comes with tagging. You're going to learn how to actually tag your post properly. So all these are all in the bunch of this particular software. Okay, I look forward to you picking this software from my link below this video, and you gain access to all of the bonuses I told you I'll be giving to you. Let me make a recap of the bonuses once again: WordPress Headline Pro, WebList Pro software, Newbie traffic system, and also Bing Ads training. These are the 4 exclusive bonuses you'll be getting from me if you get Rankr from my link below this video. Okay, yeah, that is it for today. Thank you for watching my review, and bye bye.